Are you planning a trip to London but unsure where to start? This narrative will cover everything you need to know. London, the capital of the United Kingdom, is a city steeped in history, culture, and charm. Known affectionately as the Foggy City, it offers a unique blend of the old and the new, where iconic landmarks coexist with modern skyscrapers, creating a skyline that tells the story of centuries past. With its rich tapestry of experiences, you'll find that London is a destination that captivates the heart and ignites the imagination. The best times to visit London are during the spring months of March to May, when the city's parks burst into bloom and the air is filled with the sweet scent of flowers. Alternatively, fall from September to November offers a different kind of beauty, with the leaves changing color and a crispness in the air that feels invigorating. Regardless of when you choose to visit, London's allure is undeniable. Flying from Vietnam to London is straightforward, with direct flights available from major cities like Hanoi and Ho Chi Minh City. Upon arrival, you'll find yourself at one of the city's bustling airports, Heathrow, Gatwick, or Stansted. Each airport is well connected to the city center via trains, buses, or taxis, ensuring that your adventure begins smoothly. Navigating London is a breeze, thanks to its extensive transportation network. The Tube, London's underground train system, is efficient and covers nearly every corner of the city. Alternatively, you can hop on a classic double-decker bus for a scenic ride. If you prefer to travel at your own pace, walking is a delightful option, allowing you to soak in the vibrant atmosphere and discover hidden gems along the way. For those who prefer convenience, ride-hailing services like Uber are readily available. To save money on transportation, consider purchasing an Oyster card or a travel card, which offer discounted fares and make getting around the city even easier. As you embark on your London adventure, there are must-visit attractions that should be at the top of your list. Buckingham Palace is a quintessential stop, where you can witness the changing of the guard ceremony, a colorful display of British pageantry. Just a short stroll away, Big Ben and the Houses of Parliament stand as iconic symbols of England, their stunning Gothic architecture a sight to behold. The Tower of London, steeped in history, offers a glimpse into the past with its fascinating tales of royalty, imprisonment, and the crown jewels. For breathtaking views of the city, the London Eye is a must. This giant Ferris wheel provides a panoramic perspective of the skyline, especially magical at sunset when the city is bathed in golden light. Don't miss the British Museum, where you can explore a treasure trove of artifacts from around the world, all with free admission. The museum is a testament to London's global heritage and is a perfect spot for history buffs and casual visitors alike. As you wander through the city, be sure to explore the colorful streets of Notting Hill and the bustling Portobello Market, where you can find everything from antiques to fresh produce. The vibrant atmosphere and eclectic shops make it a delightful experience. For a unique perspective of London, head to the Sky Garden, where you can enjoy a drink or a meal surrounded by lush greenery and stunning views. No trip to London is complete without indulging in its culinary delights. Classic dishes such as fish and chips and a hearty English breakfast are must-tries. For a taste of the diverse food scene, visit Chinatown for authentic Asian flavors, or explore Borough Market, a food lover's paradise filled with gourmet stalls and artisanal products. Camden Market also offers a wide variety of street food options, making it a great place to sample different cuisines without breaking the bank. Affordable restaurants like Dishoom for Indian cuisine or Flatiron for delicious steak provide excellent dining experiences without the hefty price tag. When it comes to accommodation, London has options for every budget. For those traveling on a shoestring, hostels like Generator Hostel and YHA London offer comfortable and social environments. Mid-range options such as Premier Inn and Z Hotel provide good value with convenient locations. If you're looking to splurge, high-end hotels like the Savoy and the Ritz offer luxurious stays fit for royalty, complete with world-class service. As you prepare for your journey, keep a few useful tips in mind. London's weather can be unpredictable, so dressing in layers and bringing a warm coat is essential, especially if you're visiting in the fall or spring. Always check the schedules of attractions beforehand, as some may have limited hours or require advance booking. And remember, traffic flows on the opposite side of the road, so be mindful when crossing streets to ensure your safety.
In summary, London is a city that promises unforgettable experiences, from its historic landmarks to its vibrant neighborhoods and culinary delights. Whether you're exploring the grandeur of Buckingham Palace, savoring a delicious meal at Borough Market, or taking in the views from the London Eye, there's something for everyone in this dynamic metropolis. If you found this guide helpful, remember to share your thoughts on what you'd like to discover next in London. I can't wait to continue this journey with you.